Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a transfer from Wise to Deutsche Bank. So it is pretty simple and easy. Just open up your Wise bank and here click on the payments. After that, click on send button. Here you will need to select currency, so it will be probably euros. After that, click on bank details. Here with your recipient, select one of those. It is myself, someone else, or business or charity. I will show you for someone else. And here enter account details. So here select local bank account, IBAN or SWIFT. Which one do you need to enter? So the most usual way in Europe is IBAN. So click on IBAN and here you'll need to enter IBAN, full name and etc. After that, here is the sort code for the Deutsche Bank, but usually you will need to check again. But this is the Swift or BIC code, and as you can see, what we'll need to provide is account holder name as registered with Deutsche Bank, sort code like 6-digit code identifying the branch, and etc. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.